What's up, Sumolings? I'm Eric with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're looking at Frontly, the AI-driven, no-code app builder that can build internal business apps and client portals with just one text prompt. Hiring developers to build custom solutions is way too expensive, so that's why Frontly exists. You can literally generate internal business tools and client portals with just a text prompt. Let's say you want an internal app for your dog walking business. Because it's powered by AI, all you gotta do is start describing your app in basic terms, and Frontly will whip up a functional app. Yes, functional. Just click Generate App, and Frontly will generate the spreadsheets, pages, and actual content blocks of the app. And wow, look at this puppy. I mean, beautiful dog walking app. When you click View Live App, you jump right into the hosted app. There's a full grid with all your hypothetical doggy clients. Automatically built into the dashboard is a search field and status field. If you want to edit something, the changes are reflected immediately in the UI. Okay, clearly this is an incredible tool for small businesses and marketing agencies. I mean, all it takes is one sentence to build a functional app with zero coding. I recommend clicking that Buy Now button already, or you can stick around for more. There's an entire calendar dashboard that Frontly automatically created to keep track of your dog walking schedule. You can explore events, dates, and times easily. Or you can click Create to add a new event. There are fields for start and end times, locations, durations, and prices. Wow, and don't forget, this all came from one sentence that we typed in at the beginning of this video, like 2 minutes ago. When you want to make some changes, you don't need any coding skills. And if you want to see what's actually powering the app's data, you just gotta pop over into the Google Sheets dashboard. This ain't the matrix with a billion floating ones and zeros. You can understand this. I can understand this. Even our clients' dogs can understand this. So all that's left for you to do is click that Buy Now button to seal the deal on Frontly. Because spending thousands of dollars on a developer to do what you and I just did in a few minutes is a doggone shame.